If YouTube recommends you this video, you probably have a lot of fun that you want to unlock. If you want to use a different SIM card on your smartphone, you're probably facing this issue. Your smartphone is asking for an unlock code, or you're getting an error message saying the SIM card is not supported. Stay tuned, because we're going to handle this like real tech experts. To repair your phone's locking, we're going to use another smartphone or tablet, iPhone or Android. Okay, let's begin. Open application Unlocker++. To unlock your phone, you will need your IMEI number. The easiest way to find it is if you follow my instructions. Head over to the dialer and dial 06 bars. This will show up a secret screen that will tell you the IMEI number of the phone. Now make sure that you write down this number. Once you have the code, fill in the required information. Next step is press unlock button. Within a couple of seconds, your phone will be unlocked and you'll be ready to use it. Thank you for watching my video, friends. If you have some trouble unlocking, please leave a comment. It is super easy, and I have had zero problems with it whatsoever. I'm going to show you guys how to download it. All you have to do now is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get Unlocker++. So, just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.